Hello and welcome to Cadillac Live. My name's Zane, I'm going to be your live agent today, and we're going to spend the next couple of minutes looking at the 2020 Cadillac XT4. The XT4 has a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine, which produces 237 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission, which makes it a very agile and responsive drive. Here we also notice the available 20-inch sport wheels. The version of the vehicle we're looking at happens to be the sport trim, which gives it a black gloss grille and blacked out trim along the window surround, roof rails, body handles, and clear lens tail lamps. The premium luxury version of the vehicle would have red tail lamps and galvano chrome on the grille, the door handles, window surround, and roof rails. As we get to the back of the vehicle, we see that Cadillac emblem come up on the side, so we know it has hands-free power liftgate. All I need to do is swipe my foot like that, and I have easy access into my cargo area. We've set up a golf bag here so that you can see the space. It's quite deep here as well, so those driver heads are going to fit in very easily. And those second row seats can fold down in a 60-40 split if you require it to. The XT4's wide track enables agile and sporty handling and a wide body that supports both the aggressive appearance and enables interior roominess. I'm going to showcase some of that interior roominess by having a seat in that second row. Now, I'm 6'1", I'm about 6'3" or 6'4" with the hair, and I've got no issues sitting in here. Plenty of leg room. This is class leading second row leg room. And we can also see the available sunroof here as well. Very nice. The high seating position of this vehicle really gives us a commanding view of the road. There are driver modes that you can select, which make for an exceptional stiffness and precise steering that helps the driver feel more connected to the road. Available continuous damping control and active sport chassis are available for optimal ride. The available all-wheel drive with active twin clutch adds traction in low friction conditions, which helps cornering in all road and weather conditions. Here we see the driver infotainment center. So there is a touch screen ability to touch like this. Of course, there is the rotary control dial right here as well, if it's easier for me to interact with the vehicle that way, or I can use voice commands. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard on this vehicle. There is available adaptive cruise control. Available heated and ventilated and massaging front seats. The seat that I'm in right now is the driver safety alert seat. The safety alert seat generates directional vibrating pulses on the left and or right side of the lower bolster to alert the driver of the location of potential dangers, such as when unintentionally drifting from a traffic lane. Potential threats from the front and rear trigger pulses on both sides of the seat. We're seeing some of the carbon accents on the vehicle as well. And I am going to point out this rear camera mirror. Sometimes it can be difficult to get a good view back there. So just by flicking this switch, we get a live stream of the road behind us, which in this case happens to be that gorgeous XT6. That's the Cadillac XT4 in a nutshell. If you have any questions, I'm going to encourage you to call into Cadillac Live, and you can have a one-on-one experience to have any questions that you have answered for yourself. Enjoy the rest of your day.